What do you look for in a flagship smartphone? Is it the display, battery life, or overall performance? Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device packed with impressive new features. But there's one key issue that can affect its overall experience. Let's explore what makes this phone stand out and why it could be a game changer for some, while posing concerns for others. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has shifted this year, with rounded corners replacing the sharp edges we saw in previous models. While this change aligns the S25 Ultra more with the standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, some users like me miss the bold, sharp corners of the Galaxy Note series. Despite this, the camera setup still looks sleek, with black camera rings that add a professional touch. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor offers improvements over the previous Galaxy S24 Ultra. A standout feature is the Now Brief widget, which consolidates all important info from various apps into one easy-to-access spot. Whether it's weather updates, daily events, or details from Samsung Wallet, this feature makes staying organized effortless. I'm excited to see how it evolves, potentially suggesting automated routines or saving tickets and coupons. Samsung continues to lead in display technology with the S25 Ultra. Early tests show that its 6.9-inch screen is brighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with slimmer bezels and a larger display area. The new anti-glare coating has made a noticeable difference in visibility under bright light, which is something many competitors still struggle with. Additionally, the Procol system enhances lower resolution content, making the S25 Ultra a great choice for media consumption. The software also stands out with One UI 7, which borrows some elements from iOS while maintaining Samsung's unique design. One of the best features is that Samsung launched One UI 7 alongside the S25 series, meaning users get the full experience right away without waiting for updates. A nice bonus for users is that the S25 Ultra still comes with the S Pen, though some features like Air Actions have been removed. While I don't miss those, it's great that the stylus is still included and housed within the phone. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra does have its issues. Some users have reported a screen glitch where thin horizontal lines appear when the phone is picked up to wake the screen. There have also been reports of vertical lines when using the camera, especially when zooming. These could be hardware or software defects, which are concerning for early buyers. Additionally, the display has some issues with graininess at low brightness, a flaw seen in the S24 Ultra. Fortunately, tests show that Samsung has improved this in the S25 Ultra, making it a solid contender in the OLED space. Battery life is another area where the S25 Ultra shines, but not without surprises. In a recent test, the S25 Ultra died first, lasting only 10 hours and 58 minutes, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max outlasted it by 32 minutes. However, the S25 Ultra charges faster, going from 20% to 40% quicker than the iPhone, thanks to its advanced fast charging technology. The S25 Ultra also leads in multi-core performance, making it the top choice for power users. The S25 Ultra's price, starting at $1,300, remains a tough pill to swallow, especially when considering competing flagships like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which are priced lower. While the S25 Ultra's features may justify its premium price, Samsung needs to convince buyers that it's worth the investment. If you're thinking of getting the S25 Ultra, now might be the best time. Samsung is offering up to $900 in trade-in credit, $350 in free storage upgrades, and even a free pair of Buds 3 Pro with pre-orders. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has the potential to be one of the best flagship phones on the market, thanks to its stunning display, powerful performance, and improved software. But concerns about quality control and its high price tag may leave some hesitant. What do you think? Will you be picking up the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are the issues raised here a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models. Another reason to believe the release is near is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. With the final beta versions performing well and offering a smooth experience, it's clear that Samsung has made significant progress. This suggests that most of the testing and fine-tuning is complete. Additionally, reports have emerged suggesting that the update could be available to the public as early as the first half of February. If these rumors are accurate, we could see the official rollout in just a matter of days. One UI 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most important updates in years. The update promises significant improvements in speed, security, and overall usability, making your device feel faster and more responsive. Although Samsung hasn't yet released a complete list of all the changes, the beta versions have already given us a glimpse of what's to come. Expect a smoother interface, enhanced customization options, and several performance optimizations aimed at improving the overall user experience. However, it's important to note that not all features in One UI 7 will be available for every device. The Galaxy S25 series will enjoy some exclusive features that won't be available on older models. Two standout additions are the Now Brief and Audio Eraser features. Now Brief introduces a more intelligent notification system, helping users manage alerts more effectively. Meanwhile, Audio Eraser is a powerful tool that lets users eliminate background noise from their recordings. Unfortunately, these features will only be available on the Galaxy S25 series, so if you have an older Galaxy model, you won't be able to use them. If you own a Samsung smartphone and have been eagerly waiting for One UI 7, now's the time to stay alert. The update could start rolling out at any moment, and when it does, you'll likely receive a notification prompting you to download and install it. As with most major software updates, Samsung will likely release One UI 7 in phases. This means that while some users will get the update right away, others might have to wait a little longer depending on their device model and location. To check if your device is eligible for the update, simply go to your phone's settings, tap on Software Update, and then select Download and Install. If the update is available for your device, you'll see the option to download it. If not, don't worry. Samsung typically rolls out updates gradually, so just keep checking in the coming days. One UI 7 is set to deliver a more polished and refined experience to Samsung users with improvements in performance, security, and new software features. This update is sure to make a noticeable difference in how you use your phone every day. While the wait may have felt longer than expected, it's clear that Samsung has been working hard to ensure this update delivers a stable and feature-rich experience. If you found this update useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on Samsung and other tech topics. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finally going to fix one of the most persistent issues with foldable smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has undoubtedly been a pioneer in the foldable phone market, with each new release bringing exciting innovations. But no matter how much the device improves, there's been one flaw that just won't go away to crease. It's something that's remained present in every iteration of the Galaxy Z Fold, including the latest Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, as we look ahead to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, many are wondering if Samsung will finally manage to minimize or even eliminate that crease. If you've used a foldable phone, you've probably noticed the crease right down the center of the screen. It's a result of the unique display material, the hinge design, and the repeated folding action that these phones undergo. While competitors, especially some Chinese brands, have made progress in reducing the crease, Samsung's Galaxy